Otters, playful and charismatic, are semi-aquatic mammals inhabiting diverse ecosystems. Their dense fur traps air, providing insulation against cold waters. Equipped with dexterous paws, they use tools like rocks to crack open shellfish. Otters are social animals, often found in family groups called rafts. They communicate through a range of vocalizations and even hold hands while resting to prevent drifting apart. As indicators of ecosystem health, their presence signifies clean water and abundant fish populations. These charming creatures embody the beauty and adaptability of aquatic life.